Good morning, student. This is your moral science class. Today we will do the chapter number 6 on the page number 27. The name of the chapter is My Friends, My Treasure. So, friends are very important in everyone's life. So, friends are gift from heaven because they help us to make life enjoyable and meaningful. Their presence can make a joyful moment unforgettable. Their advice can save us from numerous dangers. Their company will help us to move in the right path all through the life. In short, friends are like sugar, they add sweetness to life. So, there are some qualities of friends which makes our life enjoyable and meaningful. Here is one story, the ship of friendship. A ship was wrecked during a storm at sea. Only two of the men on it were able to swim to a small desert like island. The two survivors were good friends. Not knowing what else to do, they decided to pray to God. They sat under trees and prayed. The first man prayed for food. He saw a basket full of fruits near him. He ate all the fruits. The other man got nothing and he remained hungry. After eating the fruits, the first man was thirsty. He prayed for water and he found a jar of water near him. He drank enough water, but the second man remained thirsty. Once his stomach was full, the first man felt sleepy. He prayed for a blanket and found one near him. He slept well under the blanket, but the second man slept on the sand. When awake, the first man prayed for a boat to escape from the lonely island. He found a boat on the seashore. The first man boarded the ship and decided to leave the second man on the island. He considered the other man unworthy to receive God's blessing, since none of his prayers had been answered. As the ship was about to leave, the first man heard a voice from heaven. Why are you leaving your companion on the island? My blessings are mine alone, since I was the one who prayed for them. The first man answered. His prayers were all unanswered, and so he does not deserve anything. You are mistaken, said the voice from the heaven. He had only one prayer which I answered. You received everything because of his prayer. He prayed that all your prayers be answered. So, in this story, one friend is prayed for the other friend, and one friend has got everything because of him. Because of his prayer, he prayed that all your prayer be answered. Now, on the next page, there are certain points that will help us to gain and keep good friends. If you want to have a good friend, first of all, you should be good friend to others. Always remember, you get what you give. Friendship should be built on sincerity and truthfulness. Such friendships will last long. Don't be a man of complaints. Remember, nobody likes the company of the depressed. Be joyful and try to be optimistic. Others will be attracted to you as bees to honey. Learn to appreciate others. Remember, all like to be appreciated and congratulated. Extend your helping hand when the other is in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Try to understand the problems of your friend even before he or she tells you about it and act accordingly. Avoid criticism but use loving corrections. The other should never feel that you are humiliating him. Don't be boastful. People like humility. Let your action speak for you. Don't try to impose your ideas on others. The best policy is this: speak less, listen more. You should understand the strength and weakness of your friend. It will help you to support him better. So, these are the certain points which are very helpful to gain and keep good friends. Everyone likes to have friends but doesn't know how to gain them. So these certain points are very helpful for you in your life. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Read this chapter